Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for heading over to my YouTube channel, Septeria18, and joining me here on my YouTube channel. I have another fun project to show you guys in this video using your 6x6 papers, but in this case we're only going to need one piece of 6x6 paper to create this really simple project. So it is a perfect one for those that are new to paper crafting or new to happy mailing. This would ideally be a perfect project for you guys. You don't need a scoreboard to make this, so again, it's really simple, but I'll show you how it looks like, and then we'll go ahead and we'll do the project. I guess I would call it a pop-up booklet with tiny pocket inserts, and look how cute this is. I have here a cute little bunny ephemera to embellish the cover, and I've got a tag as well. The tag, I did use some of my scrap papers just to layer the tag to decorate it, and then embellished it with a word sentiment. I have these word sentiments in my shop as well, and you get a random pack of 20 words, and the back is just blank where you can write your message. So it's just another fun little spot to add a tag. And I placed the tag in this vellum. There's a little tiny vellum pocket. And you can still put some more goodies in there as well with the tag. And these vellum, the vellum envelopes, I have them listed in my store, and I'll just show you what you get. So they're a pack of 3. I did die cut them and assembled the envelopes, so they're ready for you to use. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but the vellum has some really pretty floral stenciling on the vellum, and there's another one. So they are all different patterned prints on the envelope, so they're not all the same, but there are 3 in the pack, and you also get I've also put in there 2 tiny vellum tags as well that you could use in your projects or add to your packaging. So that is listed in my store now if you want to have a look. So I'll just place that there. And then with the vellum pocket, I've just placed some of these gold flat back embellishment just to decorate that. And then to create the closure, I did use some scrap paper as well and just cut a strip of the paper. And then what I've done was I've glued a little piece to the back, wrapped it around, and then just tucked it behind the envelope. And then all you do is you just glue a little bit down here and up the top there, and leaving this part as an opening so that your closure can slide to the back of the envelope. And that's just another way. I mean, you can use a belly band if you like, you can use clips or a wood peg, but I'm just happy with that. And then when you open it up, it pops out, and you get these cute little tiny pocket inserts, and there are 4 little pockets to add your goodies, and it's just really cute. So that's why I've called it a pop-up pocket. And I'll show you what I've got inside each pocket, and you'd be surprised. You can add some goodies in these little tiny pockets. And just along here, I did embellish each panel just using my dies and some paper punches just to decorate that. And then up here, I used some washi tape to decorate the inside of the booklet. It is just a single printed paper, so the inside was plain white, and I just decorate that with some washi tape. So along here on the first pocket, I've got a cute little envelope. One of these little teeny tiny envelopes, which I have these in my store. These are the teeny tiny envelopes, and you get a pack of 6. So I haven't got anything in there, but just want to show you that you can fit a tiny envelope in that pocket. And in the second pocket, I've just placed an assortment of little tiny tags in there, and then just kept them together with a little, I'm not too sure what you call this, just one of these little clip. They're like a safety pin kind of clip, and then place a pom-pom on the top, and that just fits in there nicely. And then on the third panel, I have some fun goodies in here as well. I've got a little washi sample on a small tag. Then another teeny tiny envelope. It is so tiny. Look how small that is. I was still able to put in there these little, I stamped these little floral prints onto some cardstock, and then I punched it out with a paper punch. And I was lucky enough they were able to fit in this cute little envelope. So tiny, but it fits in there perfectly. And then I've also got in here this little heart tag, note card shape. I'm not too sure. I did purchase this at AliExpress, and I can't find it anywhere to put the link down below for you. But if I do find it, I will put the link down below. But I purchased this a while ago, and I just can't find it for you guys. But what I've done was I've decided to put a little pack together to list in my store. And I'll just show you the little pack. And it's just a little pack similar to what I've got in this pop-up booklet. I made a little pocket envelope, and you also get 3 random tiny tags. So everything's everywhere. So you'll get 3 random tiny tags, and then you get the little tiny envelope, again all random prints. A teeny tiny envelope, 3 random word sentiments, and also the little heart tag note card. You just fold that back and then you create yourself a little note card. But I can't find this link. But if someone knows where the link is, if you would like to place it down below in the comment, that would be great. But I will have this listed in my store, so you get this whole little bundle pack as well. But I'll just go to the last pocket here. I've got in here some ephemeras, and these are large size ephemeras too, and they were still able to fit in that last little pocket. So that just fitted in there nicely, and then you just close that up, and it's ready for you to gift as a Happy Mail gift, and it's just really cute. I really think it's adorable. So let's go ahead and let's go make one of these. So you'll need your selected 6x6 paper, just one piece, and then you're going to cut it at 3.5 inches, and you'll have 2 pieces. So one piece at 3.5 by 6 inches, and your other piece at 2.5 by 6 inches. So we'll grab the larger piece first, and that will be your booklet cover, and we're just going to simply fold that in half. And so that's your booklet. Aren't these pineapples really cute? Okay, so now for the little pocket insert of that as your pop-up, you're going to have your print facing up, and you're going to bring the bottom up, and you want to just decide how deep you want your pocket, because that will be this part here. And I think I've got mine roughly maybe about 1/2 inch deep, but you just fold it up to where you like it. You don't have to go too far up and have a deep pocket. Most of your goodies won't come out. And you're just going to fold that down. So now you've got that all done. What you're going to do now, we're going to fold it back and fold that in half. And then we're going to grab this piece and we're going to bring it towards you and folding that back and lining it up to that fold line. And then this piece will fold back and lining that as well to that fold line. So that is what you'll get. And now we're just going to open up this little part that we fold, and we're just going to apply a little bit of glue there and a little bit of glue to this side, or double-sided tape. And just bring that back up and just seal that up. Once that's sort of stuck on, just going to do that. Grab your booklet, and then you can decide whether you want to decorate your cover with washi tape as well. You're only going to need the top and the bottom to cover that, but you can leave it plain. So what you're going to do, you're going to grab your little pop-up pockets, and you can either have it on the bottom down here if you like, or you can have it in the middle. So that's up to you, but I'm going to place one in the middle. And then what we'll do, we're going to apply glue to the first panel, or adhere it with whatever glue you like. And then we're just going to line it up to the edge. Press that down. And then we're going to apply glue to the last panel. And then we're going to bring this over and lining that up. Just press that down. And then when you open it up, it should open up into a little pop-up pockets. And that's pretty much all there is to that. It's very easy. And then you're ready to add all your goodies. But I did forget to mention, you're probably best to decorate your little panels first before adhering it to your booklet. Otherwise, it's pretty hard for you to do it this way. But you can do it that way. So I forgot to mention, do that first. And also decorate your cover first before you put your pocket inside the booklet. And so that is all for your pop-up booklet with pocket inserts. And I just want to also mention, for the rest of September, I am still giving out these free gifts in my shop for those that purchase any more than 3 listings. In my Etsy shop, you will receive this little file folder with 2 pocket inserts, another pocket with a vellum window, a mini envelope, as well as a vellum pocket. So I just wanted to let you guys know you still got time to purchase before the end of September. So any 3 or more listings from my store, you will receive these fun free gift goodies. For every purchase, or for 1 or 2 purchase items, you will receive the pocket. So I just wanted to let you guys know not to miss out on the free gift. But this is the cute little project for this video using 6x6 paper. I do hope you enjoyed this project. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.